to fall. The Israelite people traveled by the wall, but when the people shouted, that wall it had to fall. There is a sound that makes walls fall down. There is a sound that makes walls fall down. There is a sound. There is a sound that makes walls fall down. Hey, release the sound. I command you, release the sound. Release the sound. I command you, release the sound. What about Paul and Silas behind the prison walls? But when they started singing, those walls they had to fall. 'Cause there is a sound that makes walls fall down.